wintry, snowy day. We have a really large spruce tree that came down in a heavy windstorm, landed on the corner of the house up here. I'm here with the homeowner, and she had the unfortunate situation where these trees came down, and I just wanted to see what you think about us getting out here to take care of the work for you.
Hi, my name's Laura Chrisman. These men have been so kind, so helpful. They're out there now in the snow. I think I'd rather be home under my covers. But these guys are out here, they're doing their thing, and I am just so grateful that this is being done. I really appreciate it.
I'm here with our two foremen in our company, Billy Santry, been with the company for many years, and Dan Rombold, one of our top foremen. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing here today?
Today we're taking care of a storm-damaged spruce tree, Norway Spruce. And upon it falling, it also took out a hemlock tree, which you can see on the bottom there, laying down. And also laying on top of a crabapple tree, which we also have to remove because it's sustained some damage as well. Over there you can see where it broke off, the very rotted part of the tree. The trunk is rotted away.
Little damage to the porch up there. Luckily no one was injured on that.
We're going to take our time, make sure everybody's safe. We're going to cut everything up. Take it over to the chipper.
I'm here with another foreman for our company, Muth. Doug's going to be the wood guy today. What do you think about working in these conditions, Doug?
As long as it's snow and not rain, I'm happy.